Hi, this is Dr. Adel from Naperville Family Dental Care. As you can see behind me, I'm here for an oil change and getting my car tune-up. As we all know, we usually get a reminder and we get our cars in every 3 months or so, or every 3,000 miles. We've kind of been conditioned to do that, and we do that very religiously because we don't want to have any, God forbid, anything to happen to our cars because it helps us get from point A to point B. However, we find in our profession in dentistry that a lot of the patients are not returning on their regularly scheduled times, and they're missing even their preventive checkups. On a recent internal study that we did in our practice, we found that a small percentage of our patients are not returning even every 3 years, and when they do, they return when there's an emergency. To draw an analogy would be if, for example, a tire is blown out, or basically the car is almost to a point where it needs major repairs. Some numbers that are really interesting to mention, I'm going to read them off. Really interesting numbers from 2010 said that about 78%, almost 80% of kids ages between, or young kids between ages 2 and 17 visit the dentist once a year. And that's what 2010 numbers. Whereas adults between ages 18 and 64, about 61% only visited the dentist once a year. And the percentage even dropped to 57% for 65-year-olds and over. So the trend is showing that less and less patients are visiting their dentist for less extended period of time. And it's quite disheartening when you compare that to the fact that we spend a lot more time and effort taking care of inanimate objects that help us get from point A to point B, and we're not spending as much time or don't show as much care to our own health. So I hope that this sheds some light and allows my patients and myself also to rethink about my own health. Come to think of it, I'm a little overdue for my medical checkup and my eye checkup as well. So hopefully this works as a reminder for all of us. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 630-369-8950, and I hope you have a wonderful day.